everyone, welcome back to Story Time with me. Have any of you guys ever get that feeling when you don't feel well, or if you're sick, if you have a cold, you have the flu, or if you have COVID? Well, today's World Sick Day. I've got the perfect story we should do for this. Uh-oh. Did you guys hear that? Sounds like Blue sneezing in that. So wonder. So in today's story, Blue has the sniffles, and it's up to us to take good care of Blue when she's sneezing. So in today's story, it's going to be Blue's sniffly day. So let's help Blue feel better in this story. Let's get on to it.
Blue's Sniffly Day by Bridget Egan, illustrated by Victoria Miller. Hi, have you seen Blue? She's been under the weather for a few days, and we want to find out how she's feeling. You found her. We thought you might want to play Blue, but it doesn't look like your sniffles have gone away yet. What can we do to make Blue feel better? Look, Blue, Dr. Shovel and Nurse Pail are making a house call. Can you spot anything in the room that Shovel and Pail might need for their pretend doctor's visit? It looks like Dr. Shovel and Nurse Pail's pretend checkup isn't going to help cure Blue's real cold. Maybe Mailbox has something to make Blue feel better. Mail's here. Blue's friends from school sent her a get well card. What a nice card. It really helped to cheer Blue up. Blue is going to take a nap now, but after all that sneezing, she wants to wash her hands first. Can you tell which towels belong to Blue? You know, when I don't feel well, I like to hold Horace, my anteater. Horace always makes me feel better. Let's see if we can find a stuffed animal for Blue to hold. Do you see any? Maybe reading a story will help Blue feel better. Is that a good idea, Blue? Blue? Blue's asleep. Well, maybe sleeping will make her feel better. We can all try to be very, very quiet so Blue can sleep. How quiet can you be? You're so good at being quiet. Why don't we tiptoe down to the kitchen and see what Mr. Salt, Mrs. Pepper, and Paprika are up to? Come on. Will you help us find the rest of the ingredients from Mr. Salt's recipe? You will? Great. We want to give Blue the biggest bowl of soup. Can you find the biggest bowl? Let's pour some orange juice for Blue. Can you find an orange cup for her juice? What else should we put on her tray? I think sleeping made Blue feel a little better. Now she's ready to enjoy the soup we made. Thanks for helping Blue to feel better.
Yep, and like Steve said, chicken soup is always the best thing to cure for a common cold, and also getting enough rest, and it really helps you feel better. So when we're not feeling well, we need to listen to our bodies and take care of ourselves when we're not feeling well. So I hope you enjoyed today's story. Bye, everyone.